In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Steam account from start to finish. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Steam website. If you don't know the exact web address, simply open your favorite search engine, type Steam, and select the official website from the search results. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top left area of the page and click on the Login option. Even if you don't already have an account, this is the correct place to start. After the login page opens, scroll down until you find the section for new users. You'll see an option labeled Create an Account. Click on it to begin the registration process. On the account creation page, enter a valid email address that you have access to, since you'll need it to verify your account. Next, choose your country of residence from the available list. You'll also be asked to complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm that you're a real person. Before you can continue, take a moment to review the Steam subscriber agreement and the Valve privacy policy. Steam also requires that you are at least 13 years old to create an account. Once you've confirmed that you meet the age requirement and agree to the terms, check the required boxes and click Continue. The next step is to verify your email address. Open your email inbox and look for the verification message from Steam. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Open the email and click the Verify My Email Address button or link. After your email has been successfully verified, return to the Steam website to continue setting up your account. You'll now be asked to choose an account name and create a secure password. Pick a password that's unique and easy for you to remember, while still being strong enough to help protect your account. Confirm your password by entering it again, then click Done to complete the registration. Your Steam account has now been created successfully. From here, you can sign in, customize your profile, browse the Steam store, and start discovering games and other content available on the platform.